March we onward, doing battle not with flesh and blood, but the hosts of darkness raged against the Son of God, on to rescue captive souls and shatter Satan's rod. Marching onward, comrades together, close hands, fight on, in heart and will as one. Close hands, fight on till day is done. Smite the demon host with strength until the war is won. Marching onward, victors forever. March we onward, armor clad, though not with coat of mail, and with sword more strong than steel, the sword which cannot fail. With the gospel's word of peace, almighty to prevail. Marching on in faithful endeavor. Close hands, fight on, in heart and will as one. Close hands, fight on till day is done. Smite the demon host with strength until the war is won. Marching onward, victors forever. Though the devil's evil host be awesome to the sight, Jesus our commander goes before us in the fight. Victory is sure, take heart, let nothing you affright. Joy will come at last in full measure. Close hands, fight on, in heart and will as one. Close hands, fight on till day is done. Smite the demon host with strength until the war is won. Marching onward, victors forever. All repentant souls whom their wrongdoings truly grieve, Christ the crucified will save if they will but believe. Sunk in sin we rise in Him, salvation to receive, and to be His people forever. Close hands, fight on, in heart and will as one. Close hands, fight on till day is done. Smite the demon host with strength until the war is won. Marching onward, victors forever.